Before I can fit the front bodywork, I'd like to get the engine in. It'll just be so much easier. But before I can put the engine in, I need to sort out the painting. It'll just be so much easier. But before I can sort out the painting, I gotta fix all the rust spots on my body. Well, not my body, the truck's body. Coming up. I've got a pretty nasty rust hole on this corner here, which I'm gonna have to sort out before I can do some painting. And another one right here. This one doesn't stress me, it's not gonna leak water on my head. So I've made myself a nice little shape piece. So I'm just going to cover this up. Something to that effect. And we will fix it true rat rod style, to the horror of some panel beaters. A push stick like this, which is a simple thing to make, works very well for holding pieces of plate in place like this, because you can rest it against your body, press the plate down, both hands free, nice good pressure, and then you can do your weld. You'll notice that I'm not wearing a welding helmet when I do this. I'm just wearing safety glasses. So all I do is when I'm about to make my little tack, I just close my eyes or look away. This way I can get going and see much better what I'm doing. I always use a cardboard to make a template first of this piece of steel plate I need, and then I can use that to cut it out exactly. But it's pretty amazing what you can do with just a hammer and a good old shifting spanner. I think in the States you guys call it an adjustable wrench, eh? I've used this to just gently shape my plate as required, bit of hammer work, and it is pretty close. Rust hole repair is done with proper stitches so it won't go anywhere. True rat rod style. Hey man, life is way too short to be sanding Bondo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like and comment. I'll catch you oaks in the next one.